Okay, this is still Solano. We accidentally pushed the wrong button, but we're going to continue on. Alright, I'm running through building M, which comes off of, I think, building O. Usually have a buildup right here all the time with grease, crap. Right. Again, this comes off of building O, flows west to east to the main in the far left-hand parking lot. And as you can see, again, as I discussed, all these lines have settled in. Definitely got flow on this line. I'm just underwater. Oh, and then we come out. This is going to drop straight into what looks like a manhole, but it's just a big square plate in the other parking lot. Out of bellies, into bellies, out of bellies, into bellies. My camera's pushing easy through it. Ready. Ready. Boom. That's the main. Okay, we're dropping down. As you can see, the water is dropping down. That's going into the main. Alright, we're going to pull back. Again, this is building M. Pretty good belly under this building, but it's got flow. That's the thing. Stop for a second. Okay, keep going. Cast iron's all dark too. Yeah, I'm underwater the whole way here. I can control on that. And these two cleanouts between O and M get packed up with some grease because of the way it's sitting. Let's go the other side and run over. Okay, we're now set up at building O, which runs towards building M. Cast iron. Oh, wow. That bottom don't look good. Huh? Yep. Oh no! Shit! Shit! Damn it! We're right to the bottom. Son of a bitch! Oh, it's through. It's through. Shit. Shit. I should have stopped, man. Huh? Huh?
That's fucking right there. Dig it up.
Got to. Huh?
I see it.
I did too, goddammit. God dang it. I gotta call Scott. No, dude, it's in there. Scott. Oh, damn it, dude. Building O. Right over here. The high side clean out. Fuck, I went through the bottom of the pipe, dude. My fucking camera's stuck. Yes. The good thing is I'm not that far in. I'm like 10 feet in, but dude, I gotta get my camera out of here. You know what I'm saying? God. Yeah, come on. Shit. Oh, it's like 10 feet in. Huh?
Fucking gotta get it out, like you said.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna stand here and dig it. I'll have to chain it up to here. You know what I mean? Get somebody over here ASAP. Ah, damn it.
Got blacked out. I said, fuck.
I should have stopped. God damn it. I thought maybe I'd slide a little bit. Be careful, you'll pull the fucking head off.
That's what it is.
Huh?
Pues no dijo aquel que shit.
Shit. Bullshit.
We can't. Shit. Get all the way over here. God damn it.
I'll dig it up a little bit right here where we can reach in there.
Dude, it's farther than you think. Like I said, I'm like 10 feet in there.
Far enough.
Huh?
Maybe just far enough to where we could try to pull it straight out instead of up.
I gotta go. Huh? Bitch. Son of a bitch. Alright, I'm building O at the high side clean out. As you can see, I'm blacked out. The camera went through the bottom of the cast iron. Scott's got a crew coming to dig it up. As soon as he's got it freed up, he's going to call me. In the meantime, I'm locking the camera to the water line.